Guys, I'm telling you, I don't understand why top water is working. That's 3 out of this one spot. Okie dokie, folks. It is now day 3. Pretty similar conditions. Maybe slightly windier. Not a big fan of it. Still hate the wind. But we're heading that way today. And since top water was working yesterday, I figured let's give it a shot again today. Cause why not? We out here. Oh! What the hell, Bobby? Just come back. I'm definitely too close at this point, but if someone wants to explain to me in the comments why they'll be so aggressive on a topwater bait and then won't come back for a different bait, I would very much appreciate that. Because I truly don't understand it at all. My fingers are already numb. I must say, it doesn't look like the wind gets any calmer. It looks calm back there. That's where we're heading. There's a blue herring over there. I'd go as far as to guess that there's some fish. Hello, Mr. Blue Herring. You having a lovely day? How's the water? Are you fake? You don't need to move either, buddy. I'll go around you. I'm just looking for the fish that you're looking for. It's the fish I'm looking for the fish that you're looking for. So if you find them, then maybe I'll find them. Hey, there's a fish on the other side there, bud. See, you're good, bud. I got you. If I catch one, I'll throw it up near you. You help me, I help you. Type of friendship, you know? At least we know you're not fake. We could be friends. Taking shelter. I feel you, bud. Alright, I'm gonna head to the back. I'll be back. If I catch something, I'll tune you in. Okay. I wasn't much of a blow up. At all, actually. But just throwing the jerk bait. I said I might as well give topwater a chance. Would you looky here? Would you look at me go? Okay, hold on. Ah! I see you, mister. I see you trying. Oh God. It's not gonna be fun to deal with, but little fella. Mr. Sandman. That's your name. Bring me your heat. Oh, okay. Yep, make it even worse. Okay. Sorry, fella. Nice little fella. And, hey, I'll tell you what, 3 days in a row, we'll take it. Hey, hold on. Sorry. Alright, okay. There you go. See? I'm not gonna harm you. And just as my suspicions would tell me, you wanna know where he was hanging out? Behind the freaking dock. Okay. Okay. Is this what we're gonna do all day? All day, huh? You know what I'm gonna do, actually? This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna change rods. I think I can get the other one a lot further and better action. I like the pull a lot better. So, BRB. I promise one day I'll learn to keep you guys on all the time. Oh! Yeah, he got it. Stay on there. Keep him pinned. Don't do that! Oh, he's barely hooked. He's barely got that front hook. Oh, that's not a bad one. I'll tell you. Whoa, get in the boat. Come on. Oh, they literally just fell out. A little better. Sizing up. Beautiful. I think you guys can see that. It's somewhere out there. Yep, he's ready to go back. One last look. Longfellow. Long John Silver. Ready? A 1 and a 2 and a 3. There he goes. Carry on your wayward son. Guys, I'm telling you, I don't understand why top water is working. Maybe that's a tip I can provide you. Let's see if we get another one. Another one. Oh! That's 3 out of this one spot. Oh, there's another one. I think I saw another one with him. Oh! That's the problem with these hooks, they're not sharp. I'll tell you what I might do is, I'm gonna go in between the other side, because I didn't fish that with topwater at all. I was throwing the jerkbait, like I said. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna try to get some new hooks on these. I'll be back. We're here. That was a lot more trouble than I thought it was gonna be, but we got it. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and to be honest, this hook isn't much better than the one I had on, but it is better. Oh. 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 He's sitting underneath. Oh. Oh, he didn't get it. Oh, they're hitting over there again. Oh. Oh. Did you see that? He must have saw me. That's probably why he went away. 'Twas a little fellow. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm having a ball right now. Even though I know they're a little smaller. Oh, way too close. Didn't mean to do that. Other side. Other side. Onward! We must go! Oh, I can't get to the other side. See, I'm pretty sure that's where I heard him hitting. But, if we follow the pattern that we've been seeing, even though we can't get in there, they're probably moving their way back over here. So, guessing, just a guess, we'll get some action over here. We have a very small window. Get your casting right. There we go. Oh! Yeah, he got it. He got it. Oh! That's why we changed the hooks. Precisely why we changed the hooks. Maybe I just need to snap the hook set on these guys. Like, really put my freaking back into it. But I don't want to hurt him. I mean, I don't think it hurts him, but let's see if he comes back. There we go. He came back. He came back. What a savage. What a savage. Hooks worked. A little too well. It's okay, bud. We're gonna get you free. Another little fella. Another little fella. You ready? 1 and a 2. Shaboot. Alright, I'm excited to see what comes from here. It may be nothing, or it may be a bigger fish. Oh, lots of sleeping ducks. Take a little nappy poo? You're okay, fella. You're okay. Sounding the warning, I see. Oh my god! You know what, folks? Instead of listening to the experts, I decided the baby bull shad was going to be our bait of choice. That's what experts know. Ooh, absolutely nothing. And baby bull shad will force me to fish a lot slower than I'd like. I swear, if I get hit on topwater and not the baby bull shad, I'm never putting topwater down. Oh. Got him. Got him. Don't go into the dock. There we go. Been a minute. It has been a minute. Yep. Get it out. It's okay. I understand. Easy. Just slid out. It's like you were never hooked. Like you were never hooked. He's got a very pretty fluorescent green on his gill. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. There he is. And back we go. Mouth shot. Give the people what they want. Ready? Goodbye. Oh, goodbye. I was gonna say, I know that one's there. I would think multiple are there. Oh my god! Okay, I say we just keep it moving. Looks like something popped up behind. Don't let me catch you boys lacking. Alright, I decided to come back this way, and then we're gonna start making our way home. Let's see if these little fellas want to come back out and play. Oh, did he miss it? Oh, I think he came back and got it. I think. Uh-oh. Oh no, he's hooked in the mouth. Hooked in the mouth and the side. Okay. Sorry, baby bass. Hope you can see him. Oh yeah. We're going. Ready? Go. Okay. Good. Good. I want you to get much bigger. And we didn't hurt his eye, because that went through his eye socket. Oh, sleeping. Don't, you're fine. I'm coming on this side. See, you're okay. Man, you are a thick boy. See, I'm not even interested in you. You hopped in the water for no reason. There. Oh. Oh, he missed it. There you go. Hey, oh, that's a little better one. Yeah. Oh. We might get a weight on you. Don't. Easily the best one of the day. If we can get it in. Let's get you in the boat. Hey, nope. Okay. Oh, we probably don't need to get a weight on him. It's probably a pound. It's gotta be a pound, at least. I don't think he quite reaches the 1.5 pound mark, but there he is. Nice long fellow. Thank you for cooperating. Mouth shot on the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah, he's ready. Bite me. You ready? Be free. Thanks for playing. Oh, got him. Don't come off. Yeah. Yeah, give me a fight. Give me all you got, bud. Yeah. I threw other stuff at you. Either you weren't there or... Hey. He is all sorts of wiggly. You ready? A 1 and a 2 and a yip. See ya. It's been a great weekend of fishing. I don't want to cut it short. But you know... Yep, that's what I'm feeling. See ya.